my Chevy. I'm ripping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR 254. See, got everything backed out the garage. Had a little bit cleaning up, had a little spill. And so get all that up and let that soak up and do its thing. That transmission's fluid, some messy shit, bro. So basically, what I'm finna do, I'm finna make I don't know how long it's gonna take us to get to 10K, so we can go with phase 3. So in the meantime, what I did, you see there, name, date, topic. I took this board, pretty much a presentation board. You can use, cut one of them up, or you could use some boxes from the postal service. Them shits is free, but I had already bought this one. So basically, what I'm gonna do is try to prepare to do just a little console, man. Just enough. You know what I'm saying? So that we can have something here temporary. Like I said, we got bigger plans coming. Don't know what they are just yet. We haven't reached the threshold, but basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark this off. And I mean, I've been watching boys do consoles. You know what I'm saying? I could have just reached out to my boy Steve to do it, but you know, DIY game, man. So I figured I'd say, shit, I'm gonna give it a shot. You know what I'm saying? So basically, the most complex thing that I saw when people doing the consoles, I guess, is just making sure that you had a contour for the hoop, contour for the hump, which is gonna be like on the front of here and on the very back slightly, you know what I'm saying? Maybe even not so much on the back side, but that front side, making sure that that is there is like super duper necessary. Now, we could probably use from here, use this to measure exactly how wide you want it to be, and then kind of go from there if you want to expand it a little bit. But that should be like a good start, I would say. But yeah, pretty much I'm gonna just make it, mock it up with cardboard, then cut the wood, then put the shit together, then go from there. So this ain't necessarily a step-by-step. However, I'm gonna, I guess, walk y'all through my thought process on how I plan to attempt it, and go from there. So let me get this first part, and then we'll go from there. All right, so as you can see, we out here. What the fuck is this? I'm finna show you what it is. And like I said, this ain't no how-to. This ain't no how-to tutorial, demonstration, none of that. I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing on my shit. If y'all want this one, y'all gonna have to go get it out the mud, or shop with my boy Steve, or shop with my boy Reggie. So let me show you what we got here. Like, nigga, that look like a fucking a ship or some shit, right? Let me show you though. We're gonna put this down here like this. Second, I'll show y'all the business. Alright, boom. Hey, what the fuck is this? It's like a build of the clubhouse. But yeah, basically this is like my little template. So yeah, this will give me like a hard, rough estimate. I mean, really the only thing I would need to duplicate from this point would be this side right here to put on the other side, you know, just mirror it like that. Put that on the other side, and then from there, you know what I'm saying, just see how much room we got, you know, so we can make it do what it do, baby. Make it do what it do, baby. So, damn, I should have did that shit before I fucking did that shit. But yeah, I'm gonna do that and then come back with some more shit, right? But yeah, like I said, this one, y'all gonna have to go get it out the mud. Y'all say it was a shop with my boy Steve Davis, Steve Chevy shop, or Reggie Jackson of Car Swag Customs out there at Waco, Texas. You heard? Alright, y'all. Some time has passed. I got my drink in my cup. Y'all know what it is. That blue thing. So let me show you what we got right here. A couple things that I didn't get to show y'all. Like I said, it wasn't a step-by-step tutorial or nothing, but show you what we're working with for the console. So my plan is to put a double din in there. Double din insert is like a 4x7. So I use this to mark that off of the console. Ooh, look at that. It's starting to look like something. It's starting to look like something. So yeah. So basically got the space marked for the double din. Then I got these cups. Actually, I got two types of cups. I got some regular black cups, and then I got these joints that light up blue LEDs. I don't know which one I was. I think I'm gonna go with these in the beginning, the blue ones that light up blue. You know what I'm saying? So, but I heard they do go out possibly. So, in the event that they do, I'll probably just pull them out and then put the regular joints in there. Also, I ordered this equalizer, 7-band equalizer. I done seen a couple people with them. My boy Cortez got one recently. So I pretty much measured that out to be 7 inches long, about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches in height. And then from there, you know, I marked that on the box as well as the cup holders. So, I mean, this is pretty much just like a rough draft with all the pieces, kind of what it's gonna look like. From here, I should be able to go back and take these pieces, transfer them over to the MDF, and start putting it together. I do gotta go get some glue. I don't have any glue. Cause I'm not, like I said, I'm just trying my hand at it. I ain't trying to go crazy with it or nothing like that. But yeah, this is pretty much the concept, man. It's pretty much the concept. So, I mean, if I can do it, you can do it too. And like I said, if you don't want to do it, then, you know what I'm saying, go shop with my boy Steve Davis, or go shop with my boy Reggie Jackson, Car Swag Customs, and Steve Chevy shop. They the professionals. I'm just a DIY guy, trying to make it happen. So overall, you know what I'm saying, the concept is solid. In the next video, we'll go ahead and We'll bring it over to wood. Like I said, I gotta get some glue, and we'll pretty much just start cutting the pieces, man. Like I said, pretty much every piece here that you see will be cut, you know, out of the wood. Of course, there's gonna be some changes as far as, you know, the thickness of the boards or whatever, to make sure that the measurements is straight. But like I said, you're gonna have to get it out the mud. You're gonna have to get it out the mud. So y'all let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is step one, part one for the console. The next part, like I said, will be the interesting part, taking that over to wood. Let me show you what we got. We got this, MDF here. Same thing you would use for like speaker boxes, etc., etc. You know what I'm saying? So you take this. I don't know if this is too thick, but I think we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. May take a sheet. I'm thinking, by the size of the pieces, I'm not thinking it's gonna take more than one piece of that, so should be good to go. So, like I said, down in the comments, y'all let me know what y'all think of what we got so far. And then, hell, probably the next time you see us, we should have it put together and everything in there. So, as always, do like I do. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.